that you tell me that your birthday is coming up, so I really would want to take you out and make you know me and stuff like that, yeah? Real. I don't have the world to give you now, but I will try. I will work towards it, no joke. But
I
the little
understand.
that I can
You
do,
can answer the
you might
question.
can.
Kevin, you
Yeah.
drive?
Not now. I did drive before, but my car did roll and crash.
Okay.
Friend crashing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What a person will accept in the box? That person, all right. Wait, accept one person here, so I know say, love me.
Honey.
Hi, Trendy.
Hi, Kevin.
Hi, Jendi.
Yeah, I want to say, I think it's a good look. My father, even though he's passed now, he was from St. Elizabeth, and we are, him, my family, beautiful people, and my father always looked after his women, very kind, and he didn't have to date them first. Like Kevin said, he wants to get to know you. There's no rush, no fuss. At the end of the day, we've all seen Kevin. I've seen his page. Kevin is not going to do Annie no harm. I think that Annie, you deserve a break, a beautiful birthday party. You know, have your family there and everybody just go out and enjoy it. Any of Annie's supporters that are in Jamaica, you guys just go and support her. Be behind her and let Kevin do what Kevin's doing. Kevin's a man. He looks decent. I don't know, obviously, Kevin, what your intentions are, but I believe it's pure so far. And we can't judge a book by the cover. It's Annie's business. Annie doesn't have to have the whole thing on TikTok when she goes out for her personal date with Kevin. However, when, you know, she's having a party, you guys just go and back her. Anyone in Jamaica, if I could come, Annie, I'd come.
Yeah, I
But
would
not
love you
yet.
to come do
I'll be back.
but you're gonna be there watching me. I gotta make sure of
Exactly.
that.
And I'll be back as well because I'm from, my people are from Ochi as well. So I'll be back. I'll be around the corner. I'm hoping and praying the best for you. And I'm hoping and praying the best for every one of us because all of us have our own problems to contend with. And no one is better than the other. So at the end of the day, I wish you the best in all areas of your life. And Kevin, please look after her because I feel like you're going to be a Romeo. I feel like you're going to be the prince she needs to come and help her. And, you know, everyone can move on with their life. Her ex can move on with his life. She can move on. And there's no hard feelings. Everybody just move on and be happy in life. In Jesus' name. And that's it. That's all.
Amen. Thank you. Thank you, baby.
I will
Love you
take care of
guys.
her.
Take care, my darling.
For real.
All right?
All right.
Honey, I'm here. I'm backing you. And I'll see you
All right.
soon.
Thank
Okay,
you.
my
Thank you,
darling.
baby.
Take care,
All
honey.
right.
Bye.
Bye. All right, Kevin. So you get the first the lady talk to you. So I gotta pick another person for you. All right. Me not gonna pick Anna yet because you know Anna I'm a girl, so I'm gonna pick Sexy. I'm not gonna pick each lady one time, so they're not gonna be really talking to you in a jumble type of thing.
Yeah.
And you can get chance to just say what you want to say to on the platform so they can hear you.
Annie,
Hi, baby.
where is the party gonna be?
Kevin.
Where?
No money, alright?
Me not hear when say Annie.
We're not here yet, Kevin. She's asking where the party is gonna be.
Oh, in St. Elizabeth. On the
me
coast
think
road.
me did think at Ochi. Annie, right back at you me live.
No, on the coast
Right
road.
back at you me live, Annie.
Alright.
Yes, Annie.
So with
Me no live,
the clothes, oh my god, so if they watch you that they right, they don't.
right, me no live far from you, Annie.
Oh my god, so you're not gonna check your girl.
Sexy,
Me a come check.
right? And look what
Annie,
you said.
me come check you already one time you just open a restaurant, but maybe I don't remember who, but me did
Okay.
come check you already. Yes, Annie. And me do a video after your after your sound yesterday, the one where you say the one where you beat yourself, and I say
Oh, you take man with things, take man with
yes,
ambition.
girl.
Me I gonna look funny.
Yes,
Me I gonna
girl,
look
go
funny.
like it, go like it, go like it. Everybody, I like it.
All right, baby. I will. Thank
All right,
you.
big up, yeah.
Big up. Enough love.
Alright. Let me give the information about the party settings.
Yeah.
The party gonna keep like 10 minutes drive from Little Ochi side. Like 10 minutes drive from Little Ochi. Nearby Little Ochi. If anybody know down there.
Okay.
But do you know exactly where she come in? Did he come there before?
Why you say it's Annie party, not Kevin? That's crazy. Right? We're not telling you we will tell if you come buy liquor and you people try to make the thing change up, alright? And if not, me I gonna make my moderator get rid of Uno. Me I gonna make my moderator close off the comment section because if a man said he's gonna keep a party for me, he never did say
Annie, Annie, it's not a public party, you know. It's just for Annie and him family and whosoever she invite and whom he invite.
Alright, let me stop talk too much. Hold on, so me put the other person. Alright,
Yeah.
Kevin, me I tell you this, you're gonna get a lot of negativity from people here. It's gonna be a
Yeah.
lot. Hold on, let me see the lady her name because it's somebody with me know. Me not gonna pick up anybody with no type of, have no profile.
Annie, I've been I got through that already, Annie. I'm a rough guy, I'm not soft.
Okay, me love that. Shan
Yeah.
Shan.
Can stand up on my feet. Even more for you, baby.
Okay.
Yeah. I stand my feet down and stand up strong for you, baby.
Alright, sir, I hear you. Hold on there. So, alright, me pick she. I'm just saying because the thing is this, I have been through a lot. As when I said, me don't judge people. Me not gonna put nobody in the same frying pan, right? But I see when man really plan up and plan with their woman as when me see happen to me first and you get what me I say? And I just don't want end up in a nothing like this again, right? So me just I said, if you're gonna do something, me just want you do it good and done. I don't want you about
Darling.
woman, me don't want you say me don't want you about nothing like that.
Give me a minute, please. Your heart is like a glass and I'm sure gonna keep it with care. I'm not gonna break it. Sorry. I'm not gonna do that. Sorry.
Alright, and you ready?
Just have a look of faith.
I understand. Alright, dude.
Alright. Good afternoon, Kevin.
Good afternoon, bro.
So basically, I came up here to ask you about 5 questions. It's basically questions that the person in the comment section wondering, and they would like to clear up as well. First off, right? What is one thing that made you interested in Annie? Right? That's the first question.
See her as a good person and she motivate me as a big one and like, but I want to take the time out.
I would like for you to state the qualities that you see. It's not just seeing.
Yeah.
It's what are the qualities that you see that made you consider her a good person?
I take the time out and watch her, see her as a good woman. I want to take the time out to make she feel how a real man feel. A real man treat a woman. You understand? Will never hurt her, rate her.
Alright.
Real.
My second question, right?
Feel we could fly together.
Alright. So we
No
both
bad first sight, no joke.
alright. Just keep in mind that these questions are not questions that like I'm coming for you. I'm just speaking to you man to man. I basically look at Annie like as a model because I like the way she's living and these kind of stuff. I basically grew up a lifestyle. The way her kids are growing and these kind of things. So I be on her platform, I be watching her, but I'm just asking you questions man to man to clear it up for the comment section, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we both know that Annie is a big social media influencer. She's on YouTube. She has a YouTube channel, TikTok channel, whatever. Supposedly, Annie used to wake up one day and she loses that fame or those pages. Would that affect the way you feel about Annie at this point?
No, because I'm a real man and I have strength. I can work and take care of her.
All right. Secondly, if Annie thirdly, if Annie decides that she doesn't want
And
to win,
also, we don't really, I'm a hard-working man. I don't really live off for TikTok.
you established
Yeah.
that the first day I saw you when you spoke to her, you said you were a fisherman, right? And that you were about to buy a car
Yeah.
in a mountain. I was listening to everything, but basically the reason why I asked you that is because the last relationship, as you would have saw, the individual would have tried to use her for fame and clout or whatever. My third question that I'm gonna ask you: if Annie is to decide, well, she doesn't want to have the relationship being centered on her social media platform, she's going, not saying that she wouldn't post you or she wouldn't have you around or whatever, but she doesn't want it to be like how her last relationship was. Would you still consider, would you still say to yourself that yes, you want this, you want to be in a relationship with her?
Hey, listen, I would put the media aside and choose Annie, for real.
All right.
As
Anyone?
I was saying, I don't live off of TikTok.
All right.
The
Well,
media, I could put it aside, for real.
and this is a main question. Main question.
And listen, don't really watch the thing. I'm kind of nervous and speechless right
No, it's
now.
cool.
so
No, it's cool, bro.
I'm not
alright to be
talking too
nervous.
straight.
It's alright to be nervous, right? Next question. So you've been watching Annie a lot, and you've been focusing on her, right? What is the most important thing in Annie's life at this point? What is it that Annie's focusing on most important that she wants to accomplish at this point in her life?
Oh, me and I have been talking about that last night. Business. And that's private, I believe. I don't really want to talk about that.
It's not private because we know it. She been broadcasting it every single day for the past few months.
Sorry,
What is it?
don't feel disrespected, but me and I already talked about that last night, and like,
No, bro, I don't think you understand the question. The question is, I'm telling you, it's something that should be broadcasting every day on her life. What is the most important thing in her life right now that she's trying to accomplish?
she really want to finish her house and get comfortable, so she can get her kids them together and everybody living alright.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. And like more like focus on that. I would like to give her a push to no matter how small it is. But I'm growing towards.
Understood, bro. My last question. You know, Annie have children, Annie have her kids, right? Her last
Yeah.
relationship, the guy wasn't really paying any attention, or he wasn't trying to build any good relationship with the kids. How would you go about
Listen.
being different when it comes to that?
I'm a father type of person. I'm somebody who care and like look out for each other. If I have a partner, you don't know, you have to look out. Make sure that she eating well and doing stuff. Bring her out a lot, take her out, like do the necessary things first.
You diverted from my
Like
question.
get the
My
house out
question-
of the way and stuff like
You
that.
diverted from my question. My question is as it relates to the kids. And you have kids, so I'm
Yeah,
asking you.
for real. I have to build a relationship with our kids them for real. Because yeah, if our kids them not up
So
to
I'm
this,
asking you, how do you plan on doing that?
let we see. Then we get around. Let we see how it go.
All right. So Annie, basically, from all the questions that I've asked, the answers were fine. The only thing that I've listened to, whereby when he said that I was private, that was the answer about the house. I felt as though that I'm not sure if you didn't understand the question properly,
Yeah.
but that was the only question that I didn't see come out right.
Yeah. I
Is
think
there
the
a-
one with the kids them to our house. Okay.
Yeah, and the one with the kids, I would have expected a better answer, like probably take them out, try to have more family meetings,
Yeah,
these
that's
kind
what
of
I'm
stuff,
talking
you know,
about.
like
That's what
different
I'm
approach.
talking about. I'm kind of nervous. You understand, please?
Yeah, right. So,
Yeah.
bro, all I can tell you is that at this point here, you already know what Annie have been through when it comes to relationship. I'm not telling you that you jump into whatever, but as you said, you should take things slow. You should make one step at a time. And if at any point in time you feel as though you're not feeling it anymore, don't play her. Don't continue with it because of the social media fame or what you guys may be having on social media. Just step out, let her know, well, this is not this anymore, whatever. Don't go through with it. If at any point you feel as though it's not for you anymore. That's all I can say.
All right, Duke, thank you to Duke. I really appreciate you coming up here. It make a lot of sense. I love the question.
I be paying keen attention to you, Annie. I be paying keen attention.
Been paying keen attention to me for sure. Thank you so much for that.
Alright.
All
Yeah.
right, so we're gonna take up Boss Lady now at this moment. Duke, thank you so much, guys. Big up to my moderator. Yeah, understand me enough love. All right, so we're gonna take up Boss Lady. That's my sister. Kevin, may I check on you? Kevin,
Huh?
I'm checking
Yeah,
on you. Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm just nervous a bit.
All right, just breathe a bit, and even when just let them finish talk, and next you just you go ahead and talk. Breathe. Right? Yeah.
Hi, my queen. Good afternoon.
Hi, Queen. What's up? What's up?
I am doing good. I just had to come in here to let Kevin know that no matter what's going on, we love Annie, and there are some of us who truly want to protect her. All right. So please, I am begging you, let this relationship be a genuine one. I need you to show up and show out. Meaning, I want you to be there for her, not only her,
Yeah.
her kids, because when you with somebody, you're not there with them singularly. If they have a family, you're part of that family.
Yeah, I'm a family person also.
Good, I understand.
I'm a responsible guy.
Okay, good. I'm liking what I hear, but sometimes things can be, people could talk. Do not let me fly to Jamaica. Let me tell you, I would be on the next flight out if I see Annie crying one more time. I
Not
want
gonna happen.
You know what I've noticed? I don't know her personally. I've never met her, but through my interactions with her and loving her for a while, she has the softest. She has a lot of mouth, but she have the softest heart.
That's
She
true.
gives and she cares about anybody. She'll cuss you out, but in the same breath, she cares so much. That's what makes her so emotional.
Yeah.
So my
Yeah.
question for you is, I don't know if anybody has asked that before, but my question for you is, what do you truly want out of this relationship and where do you see this going?
What I truly want, what is it? What I truly want out of the relationship,
What do you truly want out of this relationship and where do you see it going?
I want the best for us. Yeah. We want to grow together, do things together, do business, all type of things. But first, we wanna like lift her up, try my best to lift her up, try get the house and stuff like that up. You
Okay.
understand?
And where do you see the relationship going?
It could be wife and husband for you, could married.
What I want for her, let me tell you something. If you know you don't want that, I am one of those. I'm not easy too. I'm very soft spoken. I'm to myself. I'm a family person,
Yeah.
and but at the same time, people I care about, I go all out for them within my.
Yeah.
So if this is what you truly want, please. And can I ask you a question? What do you do as your day job? Is it only through TikTok, or do you do something else privately?
But listen, I just starting to talk to Annie, so
I
these
know.
questions kind of too hard, said we.
You haven't seen her yet.
For
Wait
real,
till
like
the other
we
people.
could like take it slow, for real.
Wait when the other
As
people
Annie
start
say.
asking. Wait when the other people start asking. This should be a hard question.
Hold on, because a day job, simple. Like she never asks you what type of job. She just asks you if you have a day job. It could be yes or no.
Yeah. I have a day job.
There's a simple Queen. Thank you so much for the gift, baby.
Yeah.
It's a simple term type of question.
And you're not gonna be all out there because you know Annie Job is she's a social media influencer and that is her job.
Yeah.
Do you have
And
problem with people showing up
no.
there and calling her and talking to her on the streets, her loving on her, wanting to take picture because she's a celebrity in her own right?
Yeah. My job, I'm a fisherman. I do fishing for my day job.
That's a really hard but good profession. That's a tough thing because when you go out there at sea, I have an uncle that's a fisherman. It's not easy.
And also, I used to the fame because I have lots of star friends. I link with lots of artists.
Okay, well that's good. So just
Yeah.
please do not hit our Annie, please. Please, she's not my blood sister, but she's my sister. Please, I am begging you, do not always put your relationship up in the media if you have a problem with her, and be patient with her because she's still learning and growing in love. When she loves with all her heart, and it's clear for everybody to see. So if you hurt her, And if you speak to somebody, she will be emotional. It's just that she's protecting her heart and protecting herself. Do not give up on Annie. She will curse you off when she feels, you know, you're not doing it right. But that doesn't mean she doesn't love you or care about you. It's just her way of showing her emotions. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
That's the reason why I'm gonna play my card right.
You better. Oh, you better.
Yeah, because I know our mouth don't stay on one. our mouth.
Oh, don't do that.
Yes, please. She's not easy. She's tough. She has to. She has had to.
Yeah. But she have a good heart. Like I like Annie because she outstanding. You see the person like you done her wrong and she talk about it. That's good. I don't like people like have you up and can't spit it out.
Thank you so much,
Good.
sweetheart.
Can
Thank
stand
you.
up for yourself.
And you'll not. You believe me, you'll not only be in that relationship with Anya. You'll be all in that relationship with all her fans, because those are the fans that will look for the red flags, the blue flags, the white flags,
Everything.
everything
Yeah.
for her. Okay, sir.
I really can understand, Annie, because like when you have a good heart and people dry you out, you have to spit it out. For real.
Okay.
So I
All
really
right.
understand, right?
Just focus on her home. I want to see her home build her home with her, and not a house. The house is a structure, but a
Yeah.
home. You know what I mean by a home?
Yeah,
It's
a family.
Exactly. That's what I need to see. Build a home with her. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Bye bye, my queen.
All right. Bye bye,
Thank
baby.
you.
I love you so much. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Oh my God. Kevin. Oh my God. Tell me, Kevin say like, oh, like, you alright? Tell me when you're ready for run, you know. Tell me.
Why should I run left you? And me if you stand firm as a man for you. Huh? Why should I run left you?
Alright. I got you. You're good.
And,
Alright.
and also, I'm not gonna come here and come explain nothing. Anything I'm gonna say, I'm gonna say it over the phone. Personal
Yes,
stuff.
all right. I
Yeah.
love that. You know yourself and you know the little what you got to say and what you don't have to say.
All I have to do now, just listen. For real.
That's
And
it.
say less. For now.
All right, hello? Hello? Bestie, just be careful, please. Yes, Bestie, I will, definitely. You
But
think
nah,
you're
here-
so Miss you not come up. Hello? All right, this person,
I'm not hearing you, honey.
you not hear me? All right, guys, so here one now.
Nah, here,
Bye.
baby.
I go, you can hear me?
You mute?
No, I'm not mute. You can hear me, Kevin?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here now.
All right, may I bring up my best friend now, all right?
Yeah.
This is my best friend. Like, literally, in a real, me come here and find best friend. Me and her, like, are going for a good while. Her name is Flavor, right? Here she is. There we go.
Hi, Kevin. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am okay. I'm being honest. I may be real. Annie is Annie. I cannot pick
Can
for
you hear me?
people. Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Wait, give
I
me a
just
minute.
have. Annie may have one something to say to you,
Yeah.
and I'm just saying it openly. I normally say as females we should heal before moving on into something new.
Yeah.
I know this person like you, all of that. We are women, we have feelings, understand. But in this season and in this time, I would rather for you to just, for you have to know what's best for you. I cannot tell you what to do. But I would like to see you heal from you're broken. Like in terms of look for me now, make up your face. Me I see you know, remember.
Yeah, me have
see
to look
me.
on the car, you say me broken, like me I want piece of broken glass or something broken
No,
up and
so
then
me
something
mean,
there.
man. Listen now. Remember, you know, you just come out from something where
That I never relationship. That was not relationship. That was gas.
that's true.
I
Anyway,
gas that.
me no want you rushing or nothing.
Nah rush.
We want to get to know each other.
True.
And I think sometimes relationships survive better off social media.
But I'm a media person. Anybody
Which I understand.
have the media quality there. That's the person I want.
Right.
Everybody know what they want out of a relationship. I want a person who can definitely roll with me like this because I'm a media person.
Right.
You don't have to be up in the media, but
Right,
he's gonna
right.
be there with me. I mean, I always go like, you know me own up my man, and you know me go on when it come on to
All
my
the time, yeah.
Yeah. All right, Bessie, go ahead. Sorry.
That's fine. So what I am saying is in a meeting saying go stand by your interest, the home is finished, and that is one of your main focus right now. When I want you lose focus, want somebody who can say if you lose focus can say, hey, remember the goal where you have set. Get this done, then you move to something else.
Yeah.
Remember you're your own fame, you make your name.
Yeah.
So if you're not genuine to her, don't play her along.
Nah, do that, baby girl. No joke.
Don't just fake it.
I'm
Be
not
real.
rushing on nothing to no bestie. I'm not rushing on nothing. Honestly, it's just most likely me
If you
say
just
like
can be
me.
friends, talk
Yeah, we're
genuinely.
gonna listen. We're gonna take out Annie and give her a treat, and we can move on from there. I'm not rushing nothing.
Good, I like that.
Yeah.
But me just
So,
hope you be truthful, you know. Me just hope you just real and
Yeah.
have her in the corner there as a friend at this point. Because it's a friend and then it's slowly from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Genuine people, good people. She have flaws. Everybody have their flaws. Everybody just have to work on their own self and grow. She has room to grow. You can tell her if she say, hey, you know, so whatever. And if she can take correction, you can take correction. That's good. And communication is the key.
Yeah.
Oh, Kevin, they have a question for you. Ask him. Well, are you looking at long-term or a short-term relationship?
Long term for sure.
Wrong one.
Oh, they turn off the comments. In the
Comments.
The long term for sure. No joke.
Anyway, as I said, put God first in everything. Can't live out God out of nothing. You believe in a God?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Whenever God, I wouldn't be here. I even prayed for Annie last night for you. No joke.
That's
I'm a prayer warrior. I believe in the God. No joke.
that sounds good.
Spirit, very spiritual. I take my
Okay.
God serious.
Okay. Well, we don't really want no wolf in sheep clothing around here, you know. Me just very skeptical and may I be honest.
Yeah,
and
yeah, we know that. We know that for a fact. For real.
that
Just-
lady I
we have
got
to
through
just
too
take
much
time
and
out.
she shares her life out there on the media. So right now she just